and welcome to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely marble cake that's quick and easy to whip up. Merry COOKMAS Day 2. Thank you guys for hanging with me for another COOKMAS. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today for this marble cake. All these flavors are going to come together and make a wonderful and tasty looking cake that I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new COOKMAS video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here is a delicious marble cake. See how the chocolate made that wonderful marble swirl inside of the cake? So it is a vanilla and chocolate cake with that maple icing that we put on top as well. Certainly recommend this recipe. If you did enjoy today's video, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do love vanilla and chocolate together. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.